Hey guys, it's Scott Anderson here. Today I'm going to share with you the best online businesses to start as a beginner or if you're experienced. There are 4 business models, so stay tuned. And we're back. Let's get right to the point. So number 1, what is the best online business model that anybody can follow to start online if you're a beginner or whatever, starting now and beyond for many, many years to come? Number 1, affiliate marketing, okay? So if you're not familiar with what affiliate marketing is, you essentially help sell a product for a company. You are independent on your own. You refer the product to somebody else. If you get a sell online, if someone clicks on that link and purchases through your link, you get a commission and the business gets a sell, and whoever bought it, hopefully they're excited to have that product. So as one of my mentors explains, that affiliate marketing can be a win-win-win opportunity. It's a win for the purchaser because he's excited about the product. It's a win for the affiliate because he gets a commission, and then of course a win for the business. So affiliate marketing can be an awesome online business, but there is one thing. If you start doing affiliate marketing the wrong way, it can be hard to switch gears and be profitable. Now, these online businesses that I'm sharing with you are to be profitable, where you don't have to keep doing things over and over and feel like you're in the grind and just you own your 9-to-5 job, or you own a job. Like, these are businesses where you can scale and grow. So what is the secret to good affiliate marketing? That's high ticket, okay guys? Now there are many high ticket programs out there. You just need to search in the right spot, but high ticket products are products that are $500 or more. So if you get with a program that sells these type of products, and these products, you can find them to be very high quality products that will help others learn new things, where they can benefit, learn certain skills to apply into their own businesses, etc. So high ticket affiliate marketing is number 1. Number 2 is selling digital products, creating digital products. Okay, so what is that? It's just overall education. So you can sell ebooks, sell an online course, that type of thing. Guys, this is a huge industry. Tony Robbins, Russell Brunson, the best marketers out in the world are creating products right now, and they're selling it and they're crushing it. All right. And so you need to jump in on this business model. It's fantastic because it's all online. You don't have to distribute, create a book. You don't have to print CDs off or make videos, like high production videos, and do all this crazy stuff. No, it can start out at a very small scale, and you can sell your courses to the masses, and it can be starting out at low cost to really high end educational courses. Now, if you think about the traditional college tuition, it can be very, very expensive. I mean, we're talking thousands of dollars per semester. Now, you do get a degree with that, and I'm not saying that that's not a good thing, because it is. But if you can learn a really high-end skill by paying a few $1,000s, is it worth it? Let's put it in this context. If you're guaranteed to make $10,000 a month with a certain skill, and the product was only $2,000, would it be worth it to you? What about if the product was $10,000, but they guarantee that you're going to make $10,000 a month from here on out for the next 10 years? I would agree that this would be very worth your time. All right. I believe, let's talk about the coding industry, the computer programming, computer science world. There are people that I know that have left the traditional university college experience to go into these coding boot camps, and they go and they spend thousands of dollars, probably tens of thousands of dollars, maybe up to $50,000 for a year or maybe 2 years to learn coding. But that company, they guarantee that they will land a successful job where they can then apply the things that they learned, that high value skill, and then they have an awesome job. So it's already happening. It's just you can jump in on it at any level you want. So if you're a beginner and you know something more than the next guy, you can sell that. Whether it's, $100, $500, $5,000, you name your own price, but why are you not jumping in on that? I ask myself that the same. Like I personally have never sold a course, but I'm thinking like, why would I not? I'll go into that a little bit further, but let's chat about the third core business model that is profitable. And that is coaching and consulting. So when I think of coaching and consulting, I think that is kind of like, do you really need a coach? You need to really have like consultants, I feel like the traditional business owner back in the day is like, no, I'm smarter. I can figure this out. Who's to tell me how to run my business, right? But I use this analogy often, and I have to remind myself about the value of this. But I live in Utah, and I went to a Utah Jazz game. And I went early with my family, with my wife, my kids. We're sitting on the front row before the game started, and we're watching the players warm up. They're shooting hoops. They're getting warm. And I recognized that, the coach, the head coach, and they're, the assistant coaches or whatever, they're sitting on the bench and they're chatting with some of the players. But I noticed that all of the Jazz individual players, they were talking to somebody. And I began to realize that those individual professional basketball players were talking to their own coach. Yes, a personal coach, their own personal mentor. I was like, wait a sec. They're professionals. Why do they have someone coaching them? Guys, everybody, let me put it this way, not everybody, but individuals that want to grow and progress should have some sort of coach, some sort of mentor to take them to the next level. And even if they're at the highest level, and maybe, if you're Michael Jordan, do you still need a coach or mentor? Yes. Why? Because they hold you accountable. They force you. They push you. They know your weaknesses. They know what you're trying to improve upon. They can look at you and see you and correct you right then and there to then perfect your profession. So hopefully that motivates any one of you to think, maybe I need to have a mentor or coach for yourself. It doesn't matter where you're at, whether you're a complete beginner or if you're the Michael Jordans of your industry, okay? So, and then think of it this way, that, if you've done affiliate marketing for 1 year, well, you probably have a greater edge on affiliate marketing. You kind of know what you just went through, the struggles that you just had. You probably are more beneficial as a someone that could help someone that's brand new than maybe even someone that's done affiliate marketing for 5 or 10 years. So you've got a skill, and that skill you can turn into some mentoring or some sort of coaching, where you can offer your help as a service. Okay, now I'm going to go into why you should consider this and why you should price your services and why you should be seeking to earn money. But I'm going to go into the fourth profitable online business, and that is creating events and masterminds. So this could be like one of the highest levels of income that you can create. Now, I didn't really go into this that much, but affiliate marketing, you might be able to sell a $500 product, and that's fantastic. An event or a mastermind, there's people in the online making money online niche, or just new upcoming businesses that for entrepreneurs that are charging tens of thousands of dollars to be a part of a certain mastermind. Now, it kind of makes sense, if you can get 10 8-figure, 9-figure earners in a room to discuss one topic, how valuable would it be for you to be in that room to learn from them? Would you pay $1,000? Would you pay $10,000? Would it be worth it to spend a day with them and pick their brains? So I'm mentioning and creating this vision for you to realize that events and masterminds can be very valuable, and that you can actually sell them yourself. And think of it as a more low ticket thing. Like, you could literally create a digital mastermind or a digital event where you can bring on high skilled professionals to share, what they know, to share their skill, their teachings, and have it all within like a certain time. And you've got to log in and watch, and the great thing is that you can charge that. So guys, there are 4 core really successful online business ideas that you can start now and beyond. Like, all of these things are going to be applicable for the next, I'd say, 5 to 30 years. I mean, this is not going to go anywhere. The internet's not going anywhere. You guys can sell these products and services and be very profitable. And I just wanted to say that one of my mentors, his name is Spencer Meekum. He owns a company called Buildapreneur. He's a very successful entrepreneur. He does sell a course. He's sold multiple courses. And he has done coaching before. But he brought up an awesome analogy. So he recently moved. And while he was moving, he had a bunch of furniture that they just wanted to get rid of, that they didn't need, they wanted to get rid of. So he himself listed this stuff online. And he didn't charge for it. He didn't put a price to it. He just put it in like a free classifieds. If you go to Craigslist or something, just put up like, take my furniture. And in doing that, he didn't have any calls. No success. No one wanted to pick up his junk. Talked to his wife about it, and his wife's like, why are you giving this stuff away? Like, that stuff is valuable. Like, you need to put a price on it. So he's like, okay, yeah, you're right. I'll just sell this couch for $200. He put the listing up with a price, the exact same listing, put it with a price, a $200 price tag, and he had calls, multiple calls. Guys, that couch that he thought was not valuable, that he just wanted someone to come pick up, he put a $0 price tag. Why? Because he thought it was junk. And others assumed that it just appeared as junk. Like, I don't want to go pick up someone's stuff for free. Why? Because they probably do think it's junk. But when it had a price tag, it added value. And people then wanted it. So he used that analogy, and I want to use that analogy for you guys that are watching right here. If you are wanting to create an online business, guys, jump in, sell digital products, sell your coaching skills. You know something that someone else doesn't know. And also events and masterminds. Guys, these are all things you can start. If you're scared to charge anything, if you're scared to charge your coaching skills, just start it as something, Hey, $5 a month to do Voxer one-on-one with me right now, or $97 for the month, or $97 for the year. Whatever that may be, just get started. Try one of these things. And the fantastic thing is that you can intertwine all of these business models together. So if you start as an affiliate marketer and you capture emails, which, guys, that's very important to online business. You capture their emails, then you can share so many other things with them. Then you can teach them, help them, guide them, sell. You can sell, hey guys, it's been a year ago since you purchased this high ticket affiliate product that I promoted about how to make money online. Guess what, guys? I'm doing a coaching service where I hold someone's hand to help them earn their first commission online. And guys, I'm selling this product for $10 a month, where we jump on a group together, a small group. I'm only limiting this to 10 people. Guys, $10 a month. Sign up below before the spots fill up. And I will see you inside. Guys, that's something that you could try and do. Like, what's holding you back from doing it? So guys, I hope you found this video valuable. If you did, please smash that like button. If you'd like to see more videos about making money online, about affiliate marketing, selling digital courses, etc., guys, I will be teaching and going over more and more videos like this. So please subscribe if you'd like to see more videos like this. Tip that bell notification if you'd like to be notified. And overall, guys, thank you for watching. Have an awesome day, and I will see you in the next video. Oh, guys, hold up. There's a link below, of course, to an to an awesome educational program that I'm a part of. Yes, I am a commission. I do get a small, very small commission for it. In fact, it's really not that worth me even pitching it, but it's valuable, and you can learn a lot of things, and they'll actually go into more depth about these 4 core business models. It's called Legendary Marketer. It's the link below. I highly suggest you checking it out. So guys, once again, thanks for watching. Have an awesome day, and I will see you in the next video.